Want to create a QR code for your blog post using Unicode? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, plus a few key things you should know before using Unicode. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial along with a better alternative for blog promotion. First, head over to Uniqode and log in. Once you're inside, click Create QR Code and select Website URL since we're linking a blog post. Now, just paste your blog URL into the field, but before generating, let's tweak a few settings. Next, choose a frame or add a call to action. If you want people to scan your QR code, giving them a reason like read more or exclusive content makes a big difference. Now, let's talk about customization. Unicode lets you change colors, add a logo, and adjust the shape. But keep contrast in mind. If your QR code is too light, it won't scan properly. Once you're happy with the design, download the QR code in PNG or SVG format. If you plan to print it, go with SVG for better quality. Now, here's a key thing to remember. Unicode's free plan is limited. You can't change the link later, and if you want analytics, you'll need a paid plan. So if you're serious about tracking how your QR codes perform, upgrading is necessary. But if you're looking for an even better tool for blog promotion, I've linked an exclusive free trial below. Not only does it offer advanced tracking, but it also includes features that Unicode lacks, like editable QR codes and integrations for automation. Plus, I've listed some top alternatives with extended free trials so you can take the best fit. Check the description for all the details.